All right, guys, here is one of the most important videos that you are going to watch, right? This is in regards to the Fast Pack juice that you're going to be drinking throughout your 48-hour fast, your very first one, your most important one from Sunday to Tuesday, right? This can be used on longer fasts. This is going to help with electrolyte balance and help you have a more comfortable fast, okay? So we're going to start with 1 liter of Evian water, just like this. Get them cold, buy them in packs. You can get them 4 packs at Publix or any grocery store. We're going to open this up and just drink some down, right? Make some room. All right? Now from here, I'm going to start with the 2 most important ingredients, which is the Himalayan sea salt and the potassium, right? All this other stuff is just added. It's just extra, right? If it doesn't work for you, then don't do it. It's okay. But we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of the Himalayan sea salt. Okay, this is gonna help you guys with your electrolyte balance. And there should be no reason you guys take in more than 1 of these. 1 liter of the Evian water. Unless you're really exercising a lot, which I don't recommend during your 48-hour fast anyways. And now we're gonna go 2 teaspoons of the no salt, which is the potassium. You can get this at Publix in the salt section. Same place you'll find the Himalayan sea salt. 2 teaspoons. This is super simple. These are the 2 most important ingredients, the potassium and the sea salt. All right. Now we're gonna go to the lemon juice. And on this one, I'm gonna go 4 tablespoons. Now this is to taste. So if you don't like it or you wanna alter it, go right ahead. But I'm gonna put 4 in here. This is the way I do mine. And on the ingredients list on your invitation, it says 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is pure lemon juice. Okay, no sugar, it's strictly only lemon juice. Done. And now I'm gonna go 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar with mother. Okay, get that in the oil section. And we're gonna go 2 tablespoons. Once again, if you don't like the apple cider vinegar, you can eliminate it or just do less. I'm doing 2, so 4 of the lemon juice tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar, right? I like a little bit more taste in my juice, so I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. Now I've been known to add in other things too, like turmeric, vitamin C. I've even thrown some reishi mushroom in the mix. Now I'm gonna do a half of a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, right? It's a thermogenic herb. Gives it some flavor, a little bit more flavor. I like the taste of it. It's not necessary, but cayenne pepper. But you can add vitamin C in the mix. You can add mushroom. You can add turmeric. You can add zinc, magnesium. It really doesn't matter. But this is something that you are going to sip on throughout your day, and you can add in fresh water in between, right? So this is just for you to sip on throughout the day, right? And like I said, fresh water in between, and this is gonna help you with headaches, gonna help you with the common withdrawal symptoms when it comes with your first fast. It's gonna get easier and easier and easier, but you should be finished with this or close to finished with this in your first 24-hour fast, and then you'll make another one for your second 24-hour fast, okay? So this is the Fast Pack Snake Juice Fast Pack electrolyte drink that you'll be having for your first 48. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.